I'm sorry, Miss Baltazar. Pero walang duda na ikaw yung kasama ni Zach sa mga videos.
Then you should erase that.
Hindi pwede.
You got what you need, erase it. Magkano kailangan mo, Inspector? Kaya kong bilhin lahat ng gusto mo. Magkano?
Hindi pwede, Miss Baltazar.
Bakit? Kasi papanoorin ulit, ha? Kasi i-enjoyin niyo ulit,
Because
ha?
those videos...
Mga bastos!
Because those videos are evidence. Nasa videos na yon ang motibo kung bakit mo pinatay yung biktima. Prueba yun na may affair kayo ni Zach Zamora. Kaya mo ba gusto ipabura yung video kasi gusto mong itago dahil ikakasal ka na? Ha? Yun ba yung dahilan? Kaya mo pinatay si Zach Zamora? Miss Baltazar! Pinatay mo ba si Zach Zamora?
If I did, masisisi mo ba ako?
So inaamin mo na ikaw yung pumatay kay Zach?
No. I did not kill Zach Zamora. I did not kill him. But I wish I did. I wish I killed him, Inspector. Sana ako na lang yung pumatay sa kanya para maganti ko yung sarili ko sa lahat ng mga pabababoy niya sa akin. He's an animal. He's a monster. But I guess dinidiin ko lang yung sarili ko sa'yo ngayon, no? Na kahit anong sabihin ko dito, hindi ka maniniwala sa akin. Because all of a sudden, I'm a suspect. It's your duty to prove that I'm guilty. Pero sinasabi ko sa'yo, Inspector, I did not kill Zach. I did not kill him. Mahihirapan ka. Because I'm innocent.
With all due respect, Miss Baltazar, hindi ka inosente. Dalawang tao ang involved sa isang affair. It means, ginusto mo rin si Zach. Di ba?
Yes. Yes! But I did not cheat on anyone.
May boyfriend ka. Tama?
More than a year ago, Luke and I had problems. We've been together since high school. So wala, nagka-problema lang kami. Nabore ako sa relasyon namin. I wanted to experiment. I wanted to have fun. So doon pumasok si Zach. Kinukulit niya ako na matagal na raw niya akong gusto, so I kind of gave in. I wanted to have fun. I wanted adventure. I wanted to experiment. And Zach was... he was fun. What's this?
We've been together for a few months. And I never took you out on a proper date. So, surprise.
Diba we agreed not to do all these cheesy stuff? To just keep it casual?
Hey, what if I don't like casual? What if I want something more? Hey, I want to take this relationship to the next level. So sana maging official na tayo.
I thought may in love ako sa kanya. But I never did. I'm sorry. So when I felt that he was getting serious, but I don't feel the same way, I had to break it off. I'm sorry, Sam. Not long after, nagkabalikan kami ni Luke. And I never cheated on him. Si Zach nalaman ko na may gusto si Liv sa kanya. Nung nalaman ko yun, I pointed Zach to her direction. And nung naging sila ni Liv, I was genuinely happy for my sister. Masaya ako para sa kanya. Kaya sinabi ko kay Zach, Zach, i-delete mo lahat ng videos natin, lahat ng kinunan mo. Lahat i-delete mo. And he did. Dinilit niya. Dinilit niya sa harapan ko. Binura niya sa harap ko. Hindi ko alam na may iba pa. Hindi ko alam na he was recording behind my back. Tanga-tanga ko. Hindi ko dapat siya tinras. He's a monster. He's a sick pig. Inspector, I know I'm ice cold. I never beg. Please. Please, Inspector, hindi ito pwede malaman ng pamilya ko. Ikakasal pa ako. Please. Please, mahal na mahal ko si Luke. Inspector, please. Hindi ko pwede magmukhang tanga, please.